Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube video channel. I have a quick video to share with you. I'm holding the Caries Detector device. It came from Apex Light. That's the name of the device. Apex Dental. You can see right here. Very powerful little device that you can detect caries and also you detect fracture. Like what I really like about this device is with your naked eyes you cannot see the problem, but when you have this interproximally or between or any facial lingual aspect that have a crack line, you use this, you can detect the fracture line or the decay. So I'm not sure you can see it, but just let's say if you look at this right here, do you see any problem right here? I don't see any problem with my regular eye. But if I put this in, I'm hoping that my demonstration can show you something, or it may not because the quality of the video is not quite clear. So let me just turn up this light and see if we can see better than this. Let's see. You can see the crack on the incisor right there. You see? You can see the crack line right there. Without it, you cannot see it. When you put it in here, you cannot see the crack line of the incisor enamel right out there. So because the quality of the video that I'm presenting you is not very clear, you may not see it, but let me just turn up this one. And again, you see there's a distinguished crack a lot more clear. See that compared to without it. Right now, because you note it more because I break it, but at the beginning when you first look at like this, you cannot see, but you put it in here, you can see it better. This is not a very good demo because this is type it on. It's not the real patient care. So anyway, I do recommend any device that I recommend. I test it and I use it, and I believe that on the usefulness of it. So you guys want to try it? It's only just $150 or something like that, and I got it from the CDA convention. Just want to share with you guys. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching.